Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Under this video, you can subscribe on our YouTube channel and click on the notification to activate, and you can like if you like this video. Under this video, on the description, you can also download the Samsung S10 Plus wallpaper, official wallpapers. Under this video, the link is under. You can download the zip files, extract this, and you can copy these files directly to your beautiful S9 Plus. As you see, this is Android One UI. So beautiful and so nice. Look at that. So wonderful. On the display, you can see many features. And above one, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. As you see, beautiful camera. And sort of information. Wonderful. What is this? One UI version. 100p. Wonderful. For you. Alright. Now, all the home page wallpapers. Look at that. Okay, I've did some things. Okay. Wonderful. Open again, and view all. This is the wallpaper, the default wallpapers for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You can recognize this wallpaper. Look at that. So beautiful and so nice. Set as wallpaper on your lock screen, on your home screen. Wonderful. You can clean your screen to see many things into. Look at that now. Woo! It's so nice and so great. I like it. Now, if you are done with your wallpapers under your wallpaper on S10 Plus, copy these wallpapers on your phone or on your beautiful SD card. On my SD card, this wallpapers is in 2 and is here S10 wallpapers. And look at all of this. All of this is the wallpapers of the S10 Plus also. This is the first. This is the second. Oh, can I go back to this again? Another one. Look at that. Wow, all of this is so nice. Look at that. Look at this color. Wow. Okay. Can I set as like my wallpaper? Look at that. Set as wallpaper on home screen. Okay. Wonderful. Look at that. It's amazing. It's wow. It's so very nice. Set as wallpaper. You can also do this for motion effect. Set as wallpaper, home screen, and look at that. Look at that, bro. I like it. When you move, it moves. This is motion effect. You can also choose the one of all of these wallpapers like as okay, on your lock screen. Look at that. It's so nice also. What do you think, bro? If you like, click on like. Under this video, the link is here to download this. Wow, lock screen. Look at that. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Look at this. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. Wow, I like it. I like it. Okay, as you see, it's working. It's working. Unlock your phone. Beautiful. And it's good. You can close all of this. Go on a menu. Look at this effect. Wow. Wonderful. So nice. I like these beautiful wallpapers. Wow. All of this is good and so wonderful. On gallery, you can find also all of your new wallpapers that you have copied or download all of your new wallpapers directly here, and you can select what you want to put on your wallpapers or on your lock screen. You can also select the theme together, home and lock screen together, like that. Ooh, what the hell? Look at that, bro. Look at that. Wow. Set as wallpaper. Home screen. Ooh. So great. And so nice. Alright, lock screen. Boom. Okay. The base. Ooh. When you move, look at this effect. So it's pretty good, pretty good. So nice. Wow. I like it. When you want to put your password, look at under. I like it. Your beautiful fingerprint. Wow. So very nice. What do you think about this? I think that is so good. You can download under this video. The download link is here. Extract the zip files. Copy this phone, this wallpapers on your phone, and get ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for all things you do, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your like and your subscribing. I like you so much. Look at that. I like this. Subscribe today.